Hello, good afternoon to my dear loving students. Good afternoon to Shubham, Abrodeep, Sunshine, Ishan, Nivedita, Brintika. Good afternoon, can you hear me? Just raise your hand. Very good. Abrodeep, you can hear me. Abrodeep, you can see me. Nivedita, Mrigango, Ishan, all my students, good afternoon. So Friday we have learned number and number names 1 to 10, and today we will learn numbers same page. We will do numbers from 11 to 20. So just get ready with page number 60. Page number 6060. Are you ready with the book? Ishan, where are you? Page number 60. So today we will do number and number name 11 to 20. So my dear students, follow me in the board. We will do number 11, number and number names 11 to 20. First I will show you in the board, and then we will do the number names in the book. First we will do numbers in the board, and then we will do number names in the book. Page number 60. 11. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nivedita, sit properly. After 11 comes 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is greater than 11. Debansh, page number 60. So this number 12 is greater than 11. 11. 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is greater than 11 and 12. 13 is greater than 11 and 12. We'll Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is greater than 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. After 14 comes 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1, 5, 15 is greater than 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14. After 15 comes 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1, 6, 16 is greater than 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15. So after 15 comes 1, 6, 16. After 16, 1, 7, 17. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 is greater than 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16. So after 1, 6, 16, after 16 comes 1, 7, 17. After 17, 1, 8, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So 1, 8 is greater than 1, 8, 18 is greater than 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17. After 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18. After 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, 19. So 1919 is greater than 1111, 1212, 1313, 1414, 1515, 1616, 1717, 1818. After 18, 19. After 19, 20, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 2020 is greater than 1111, 1212, 1313, 1414, 1515, 1616, 1717, 1818, 1919. Ma'am, anyone is removing me? Okay. We have done numbers 11 to 20. Now we will do number names 11 to 20. So you will do with me just now. So take a pencil and with page number 60. And I will ask you all the number names. You will comment in the comment box. Spelling of 11, 1111. Comment me in the comment box the spelling of 11. Very good, Ashma. I am waiting for the answer. Ashma, Sunshine, Abrodeep, Navya, Debargo. Very good, Pavitra. Nivedita, sit properly. Nivedita, sit properly. Very good. Spelling of 11 is very good. E L E V E N 11. 1 to 12. Spelling of 1 to 12. Please, my dear student, do this activity page number 60 with me. Do and show me. Bring this activity after doing 1 spelling with me. Show this book front of the camera. I want to see. Very good. Shubham, it is 12, not 11, beta. T W E L V E 12. Now 1 3 13. Spelling of 13. Shutanvi, I can't see your face. Show me once your face, your sweet little face. Very good, Debargo, Nivedita, Abrodeep, Navya, Sunshine. Ashma, little more up. Very good, Ashma. Yes, very good. Spelling of 13 is correct. T H I R T E E N 13. Spelling of 14. Spelling of 14. Very good. Nivedita, Mringango, Shubham, Abrodeep, Sunshine, Navya, Ashma, Debargo. Very good. Shutanvi, answer. Pavitra, very good. Very good, Ashma. Shutanvi, between 4 and 10 there is no gap. It will be together 14. Mringango, what S? F O U R 4 T E E N 14. 1 5 15. Very good, Ashma. Nivedita, Sunshine, sit properly. Very good, Ashma. Very good, Ashma. Debansh, it is 15. 1 5 15. Very good. F I F T E E N 15. F I F 5 T E E N 15. 1 6 16. 1 6 16. Very good, Shubham, Brintika, Ashma, Navya, Sunshine. Very good. Very good, Ashma. Well done. Very good, Abradeep, Debargo. Very good. Nivedita, where is your book? Nivedita. Hello, Nivedita. Where is your book? Where is your book? Show me your book. Nivedita, show me your book. Are you writing with me? Write with me the spellings. S-I-X 6 T-E-E-N 16. Spelling of 17. Spelling of 17. Spelling of 17. Very good. Mrigango, Navya, Pavitra, very good. Devargo, very good. Nivedita, very good. Devansh, it is 17, not 7 beta. It is 1 7 17. Very good, Ishan. Very good, Ashma. Well done, Ashma. Very good. Debansh, please comment me the correct spelling of 17. Debansh. S-E-V-E-N 7 T-E-E-N 17. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. Spelling of 18. Very good, Ashma. Shubham. Very good, Devansh, for the correct spelling of 17. Wow, what all are responding the spell. All are responding. Very good, Debargo, Abrodeep, Sunshine, Nivedita, Mrigango. Very good, Ashma. Very good, Ashma. E I G H T E E N 18. 1 9 19. Spelling of 19. Very good, Shubham, Abrodeep, Ashma, Debargo, Pavitra, Navya, Nivedita, Shutanvi, very good. Sunshine, very good. Sunshine, there is no gap between 9 and 10. Write together the spelling of 19. Brintika, very good. Ishan, you also don't give any gap between 9 and 10. Put 9 and 10 together. Very good, Ishan. Very good, Ashma. Two 20. 20. Pavitra, Sanchayan, Abradip, Debargo, Shubham, Nivedita, Brintika, Ashma, Ishan, Shutanvi, very good. Very good, Ashma, for showing all those spellings, doing with me also. Very good. TWEN 20YT 20. So we have done page number 60, numbers and number names 1 to 20. So my dear student, have you all done with me? Did you finish with me the activity with page number 60? Yes or no? Show me. Did you all finish page number 60 with me? Yes or no? Comment me. Okay, yes ma'am, I have completed. Very good. Now my dear student, so bring this page number 60 front of the camera. I want to see if you have done or not. Show me. Show me. Bring the copy front of like this in the camera. I want to see. Ashma, very good. Very good, Sunshine. Sir, comment box to I don't want. I want to see everyone. Show me, I'm waiting for this. I want to see your activity, page number 60. Very good, Sunshine, Ashma, Navya, okay. Shutanvi, very good. These three. Shutanvi, show me. Pavitra, have you finished? Pavitra is still writing. Very good, Navya. Very good, Ashma. Very good, Sunshine. Sir, that side, some are showing. Very good, Abradip. Pavitra, show me. Bring the copy like this front of the camera. I want to see. I can't see Pavitra. Okay, Pavitra, I have, okay, very good. So that one who's, yes. Very good, Dibansh. Okay, Debargo, I'm waiting for you. Don't worry. Very good, Nivedita. Very good, Mringango. Ishan, show me. Ishan, show me, I'm waiting. Very good, Sunshine. Debargo, have you completed? I'm waiting for you, Debargo. Pavitra, have you completed? Debargo and Pavitra, have you completed, dear? Nivedita? Sit properly. Okay, so now it's time to tell you all bye bye and tata. Today class we end up here. So to my dear students, bye bye.